May pips be upon you. Welcome to the RT Money Minute. Check it out. We got Euro Aussie, right? This is the daily. Look at how price came down to this daily order block, all right, which is sitting on top of a 3-day order block, all right, and reacted bullishly, creating bullish engulfers, which are order blocks, along the way and respecting them, right? We have bullish momentum and we have a bit of an uptrend here, right? And we're going into this order block here, this bearish, this big old bearish daily order block. If I can just finish it. Now that's a daily, right? All right. I'm going to make it hollow so that we can see what the heck else I have to show. Okay. And we're going to do it like this. All right. So we can see it, but vaguely. All right. Let's go down to 4 hour. All right. We see price is in its channel. All right. We got an ascending channel over here, and we are going into a 4-hour order block within the daily order block. All right. This is a great situation when you have an ascending channel going into a known and pretty strong resistance point, but this is a supply zone. All right, we have a supply zone here, and we're trying to make a bullish engulfer into it, and we're going to see how price reacts. We can see right now how it's reacting. All right, we have wicks, and what we want to see is signs of exhaustion, and then we want to see price start to form a reversal pattern. Let's go down to the hourly so we can take a closer look. You can see once price reached the daily order block and that 4-hour within the order block, we can just go to the 4-hour now. It formed a bearish engulfer, forming another bearish order block, and it went down, broke these minor structures here, all right, broke that and came back up, and now we're testing this order block right here. Let's go down to the 15. All right. And we can see, matter of fact, let's go to the 10. All right. We have a 10-minute order block here. Price is just now reaching it, just now. So what we want to see, again, we want to see price reach up in there and say, hey, we're going higher. Hey, we are higher. And then, hey, I can't make it. I'm going to give a weak second attempt. All right. That's what I want to see. And then we want to see this, test of that, and then down. That's what I want to see every time. I want to see that head and shoulder Quasimodo kind of thing where price goes up, higher, can't make it. Okay. And then we'll have confirmations for an entry for short. All right. I think this is going to be a great trade. I'm sharing it with you. Check out my other videos. You can see them on my channel, or just look at either one of the two videos that are shown on the screen right now.